Okay, so bear with me. I just decided to do this on the fly, thinking to show you guys how I get along on the internet since I'm blind. I don't get a lot of questions about it, but I get the occasional question. Someone asking me, how do you tweet if you were blind? And actually, I kind of appreciate that question because if you're curious about something, just ask and you might find out. So just a quick backstory. I've been blind about 3 years, and I was a Windows user at the time. And I found out how much screen reading programs are for Windows computers. And what a screen reading program is it converts text to speech. But those programs for Windows computers are like $1,000, which I just wasn't willing to put that much money into an unstable machine. So, long story short, found out that all Apple products are accessible to the blind. All of them, their iPods, the iPhones. Yes, a touch screen is actually accessible for the blind, which I hope to have one soon. Maybe I'll do a little demo of that when I get it. So I had just enough in savings to get myself just a basic MacBook. At the time I was, running Leopard. I've since upgraded to Snow Leopard. So Apple named the voice Alex. So that's the voice that you'll hear. His name is Alex. So I could access Twitter on the website, which I do occasionally if I want to just scroll through someone's timeline or stuff like that. I'll use the website, but it's a big pain in the rear. So I'll try and show you a little bit how the Twitter website works. And this is just twitter.com. When I log in, it logs me into the old Twitter, and it keeps telling me, you're using an older version of Twitter that won't be around for much longer. And I'm like, ugh, because the new one sucks. So this is the old version of Twitter, the website. So I can navigate by heading, and I use all shortcut keys on my keyboard. I don't use a mouse.
Voiceover help menu, 6 items.
Oop, I didn't want that.
Closing, voiceover heading level 3. What's happening?
So I can navigate by headings, and so Twitter asks you what's happening.
140. What's happening? Edit text.
So I could type here and tweet on the website if I want. You know what, let me slow this rate down.
Pitch 50%, volume 100, intonation 50%, voice Alex. Rate 57%, 52%, 47%.
Slow it down a bit, because I know a lot of people can't understand him like I can.
Link, tweet.
So I could tweet from the website.
New, link,
oh, this
turn
is
it on.
really bad, this slow. Oh gosh, you guys gotta speed it up.
Rate 52%. Link, no thank, latest, heading level 1, home. Latest, there might be some weird tweets from me in a minute. Gonna try and record how I tweet as a blind person for those who are curious. 5 minutes ago.
So that's my latest tweet that I actually did using my client, which I'll show you in a minute. This is still on the website. So I have to scroll through everything that a screen reader will read you from top to bottom, left to right, unless you're navigating by heading. It's very tedious.
Heading level 1, home. Link, 4 new tweets. List 62 items. Link, figure link. All I need by link. 2 minute via web. Link, Mark Topkin.
All right, so this is Mark Topkin. I'm not gonna have Alex read you tweets from people who I'm not sure if their stuff is private or not, but I know that Mark Topkin is not private because he's a reporter for the Rays. So this is one of his tweets.
Link, SP times Rays. Link, number Rays. Are out early to work on bunt plays plus pickoffs in prep for interleague games. Link, 4 minutes ago.
So that was his tweet on the website. So the website will stop and tell me where there's links. Every time there's a hashtag, every time you use the number to do a hashtag, it'll tell me link, which just really slows it down. So navigating Twitter by the web really sucks. So I use a client for Apple called Syrinx. It's a program that I downloaded.
Syrinx, window, Syrinx, 2
And right on cue, it plays its little noise. That's the little flute noise I hear when I have a new tweet. So this is just a basic, simple application that I use my shortcut keys. It's all tables that I can just go and navigate.
Rays Republic. Most are wearing Navy SEALs giveaway t-shirts for BP, but the ladies' love long will fit at SAMFULT5 better http://yfrog.com/GY3A1DTJ Friday.
So that's a tweet from Rays
6
Republic.
p.m. Syrinx has
and
new
it gives a
window.
link, which I happen to know is a picture, because if I hear YFROG or whatever that is, it's a picture. So I rarely bother opening those.
James
But
H.
let's say I
Republic.
wanted
Most
to
are
open
wearing
a
Navy
link.
SEALs giveaway t-shirts for BP, but the ladies' love long will fit at SAM.
There's a shortcut key that I use to open the link in a tweet from Syrinx.
Syrinx has new window, open links.
And so that'll open the link for me in Safari.
Safari.
And it loads, and it's a picture, so I don't even care.
Safari busy.
Because I can't see it.
Safari has new window.
But that loaded the link.
Close window. Syrinx, window.
So to get around this computer, I use a lot of similar shortcuts to Windows. If you're going to tab through Windows, there's ways to do that in Apple. If you want to tab between different applications and things, it's really fast.
James H. Raise Republic. Row. Edit.
So I bookmarked one that has a YouTube that'll automatically open. I love YouTube because the videos automatically play. If I try and go to a video with a page that's got an embedded Flash player, I can't access it. So there's a lot of videos I can't access on the net, which really sucks. But YouTube is great because it just plays automatically.
Go to bookmark. Row. Oh my never.
So this is a retweet that I did for a Rays minor leaguer named Emil Salem who does a lot of YouTube stuff. So I just bookmarked this because it was an easy example. So now I can open the link and it'll automatically play the YouTube video for me.
Open links. Safari has new window. Safari window YouTube.
And there's the video.
Close
So-
window. Now in window 6.
That's awesome. So
Syrinx. Syrinx. Window. Syrinx. 2.
And that's just a shortcut that I use. I don't even know what the keys are. I just do it. I think it's Command Shift L, to open links. And that opens the link for me. And this is all using the application Syrinx, which, if anything is developed for an Apple computer, it's going to work with Voiceover, which is actually the name of the Apple screen reader, because all of their programs are cohesive and they all talk to each other. So it's really nice.
Retweet from 6 row.
So
Oh
let
my
me
never
show
paid
you.
Update. Edit text.
This
Blank.
is how I tweet. That's also a shortcut command. It's Command 1 to take me to my update spot.
Horizontal splitter. Edit text. Blank.
It'll tell me edit text blank, and I know I can type anywhere here. So let me do a test tweet here.
T E at T sp T E E T comma space at A up I at G space Y O U A up space I space D up space A I space C O E E X E A D E R period space.
So there's the keyboard echo, which is really nice. Everything I type, the key, it echoes my keys, but I type pretty fast, so usually it's just I hear, but sometimes you can hear me make a mistake, and then I can just go back and I, quote, reread what I just typed.
Horizontal splitter. Test tweet showing you how I do this with a screen reader. Highlighted.
I always try and listen to what I type because I hate submitting anything with typos and stuff like that. So I type the tweet,
Selection deleted.
hit enter, and there it went.
Horizontal progress table. 1 row selected. Column 1 of 1.
So this
row.
table that I go to has all your tweets. So if you're tweeting at me, if I'm following you, you're going to be in this little table here. So it's another shortcut combination, and I open up the table.
Interact with table. Row 26 of 1824. Selected.
Let me go to my
Bookmark
newest
newest.
one.
Row. Test tweet.
So I wanted to go to the latest tweet, so I bookmarked the latest tweet, and there's my tweet.
Direct mess row. Test tweet showing you how I do this with a screen reader. Friday 1/16/27 p.m. Mark Hopkin. Also, Roberto Hernandez is on field to consult with number 8 relievers. Friday 1. Figure Filbert. Andy Ferris. Michael Weber. RT at Rays Republic. At Darius Rucker. I like the Rays. I like anyone in the same division as the Yankees. Rucker concert tomorrow. http://tinyurl.com/3838.
If I'm skipping your screen name, if you're listening to this and you hear me skip your screen name, it's just because I'm trying to protect you if you don't want your stuff public. I'm not skipping you because I don't like you, just kind of going and stopping on the Rays stuff because I don't want to, record your personal tweets.
Samuel Salem Jr., Andy Ferris. If you like peanut butter, Figure Filbert. Mark Hopkin. Number 8s are out early to work on bunt plays plus pickoffs. In
We
prep for
already heard
interview
that.
games. Friday 1. Row. There might Figure Filbert. Number now playing. Walk alone. Retweet from Figure Filbert. Joe Madden, Mark Hopkin, Joe Madden. We're going to do some early defensive work today to go over little basic things. Rework some of the stuff from spring training. Friday.
So that's the Rays Joe Madden manager tweeting, and I can show you if I were to retweet him. If I wanted to retweet what Joe Madden just said, it's another shortcut key combination. It's Command Shift
Retweet.
T.
RT at Rays Joe Madden. We're going to do some early defensive work today to go over little basic progress indicate. RT at Rays Joe.
And that takes the tweet and puts the RT command in for me right in my little text edit box.
Progress indicate. -9.
And then it tells me, it's under the limit because there's a 140 character limit. So I would have to go, if I wanted to retweet him, I'm 9 characters over the limit, so I'd have to go delete stuff.
Progress indicate. -9.
So that's
Progress indicate. RT at
basically
Rays Joe. Horizontal splitter.
how I do Twitter as a blind person. So if you found this interesting, let me know. Maybe I'll do some more demos if you want to see anything else. What do I do on my computer? Basically, anything you can do on an Apple, I can do on an Apple. So I'm also recording this using my iPod Nano 5G. I sound like a freaking Apple commercial. So yeah, anyway, I hope that clears up some of your curiosity and hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you want to see more. Okay, bye.